How to promote products effectively with the help of BlueGPT. In order to do that, we need to head over and then click on this AI assistance right here. Then we have in here some experts that can help you with this case. So what we need to do is we need to find someone that can help us with this task. So for example, we have in here this options like this ones, but what we need to click on is this advertisers. So this can help us create advertising campaigns to promote products or services. So let's click on this right here, and then this will show us this. So let's say something like, my product is a mattifying foundation. So let's say something like that, and say something like, help me promote it. And then send it. And then once you have done that, this will show you in here your research like target audience, selling points, brand voice, budget, focus, and goals. You can also say something like design an ad and a billboard. You can say something like that. And then they will also show you in here this advertisement concept, visual elements, and a lot more. They also have in here a tagline like stay flawless, stay matte, or unveil your perfect canvas. So that's how you promote products effectively with the help of BlueGPT. Hope we helped.